Hi guys, welcome to my second slime channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make crunchy slime and normal slime. First of all, let me not keep you waiting and tell you my secret ingredients. My first ingredient is glue pen. And my second ingredient is airwick. So, let's get started on making our crunchy slime and our normal slime. So you will need a bowl, some glue pen, airwick, and something to mix with. So yeah, let's get started. You're gonna get your glue. You're gonna add some glue pen into it. I already done that in my other one. And you're gonna spray 4 seconds of airwick. It's gonna be really sticky, but there's a reason why. You get your bowl and you add some beads into it, and then you put your slime into it, and yeah, you've made your slime. You can also add colour to your slime, but I don't want to. So yeah. So once you've done that, you're gonna keep adding airwick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you're gonna add 5 seconds of airwick and you're gonna mix it together. So there's your first one, crunchy slime. Next we're gonna make our second one, normal slime. So you need a bowl. You're gonna add your other half of glue pen, because I'm making 2. And if you're gonna make 1, use a whole one. If you're gonna make 2, then use a whole one. So I'm using a whole one. I'm gonna pour the other half into there. Fudge. Sorry if it's dark. I don't know why that is. Sorry if I didn't show you about making the crunchy slime, is because I was making it and then I accidentally pressed the what's it called button, the stop recording button, and I can't be asked to waste my other half. Then you're gonna get your airwick. It's so dark, fam. You're gonna get your airwick. 5 seconds of spray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're gonna get your something to mix with and start mixing. As you can see, it's turning into slime. But just keep mixing. Just see that lovely slime coming into shape. And yeah, you take the slime off the pen and into your bowl, and there you are. Lovely slime, clear slime. Yeah, please try this slime. It's only 2 ingredients. Comment if it worked or if it didn't work, and also comment if you like my video. And yeah, so yeah, comment and subscribe to my channel, and then comment down what slime you would like me to make in my next video. So before we go, I'm just gonna show you. This is the second slime. If it's still sticky, just keep, then add airwick. Here I've got some, so I'll just there's slime, clear, there we are. And let's go to the other one, bead slime, and crunchy slime. Yeah. It's gonna be really sticky, but then soon it'll work. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, comment. Thanks.